I have something to show you. So, my friend, see this plant, this marigold plant. As it is now, it was not. It was just tiny, this much length. But now, my friend, you can see this plant, how it is growing, heading towards growth. And you know why it is heading towards growth quickly? Just because of a human discipline behind this plant. This plant is getting consistent sunlight, getting consistent water, getting consistent care. And the person is doing for this plant, that person is disciplined to care this plant every day, to water this plant every day, whether it is getting sunlight or not. And in this way, and this plant is getting all the required things which is its need to grow, to flourish. So why I am telling you about this plant, my friend, I will tell you, you will get to know my motto to tell about this plant. But first of all, I want to tell you, my friend, you are in the journey of learning English like this plant. This plant is also in the journey of becoming a beautiful plant and give flower, flourish. It has also goal, and this plant also wants to achieve its goal like you. The way you have goal to speak English, become fluent, confident in English, same. So my friend, like this plant journey, I want your journey should be as well. As you are in English learning journey, so your journey should be also disciplined. In your journey also should be consistency of learning, practicing, and doing all the required things which are very very important to learn English, speak English fluently and confidently. And how it can be possible, my friend, only and only if you are disciplined in your journey. The way a person is disciplined behind this plant, same way you have to be disciplined in your journey, because in your case other person cannot judge anything else except you. Friend, you need to be a disciplined person, because a disciplined person is only one person who is always ready to work, no matter how bad situation is going with him. कोई भी बैड सिचुएशन हो या मूड अच्छे नहीं है, मोटिवेशन नहीं है, डीमोटिवेशन फील कर रहे हैं, मन नहीं कर रहा है, नो मैटर कैसा भी सिचुएशन हो, लेकिन एक डिसिप्लिन पर्सन ही एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है कि किसी भी कंडीशन में अपना जो है प्रैक्टिस नहीं छोड़ता है, स्किप नहीं करता है. सो यू हैव टू बी द सेम पर्सन इफ़ यू वांट टू make it possible, if you want to make your dream true. So my friend, you will have to be disciplined person, you will have to build discipline in you, in your journey. Then you will be consistent, you will do practice learning everything consistently daily. Like behind this plant, a person is discipline to water it, to care it, and checking whether it is getting sunlight or not. And that's how it is growing, that's how it is flourishing. So same in your case, for flourishing, for improving, for your growth, it's very very important to be disciplined, to build discipline in you. Then my friend, you will achieve it, and there will be not only surety but also guarantee of getting, achieving your goal. When you are disciplined, when you are disciplined in your learning journey. So my friend, it's very very important कि आपको डिसिप्लिन्ड रहना है. डिसिप्लिन रहेंगे तभी आप कंसिस्टेंटली लर्न कर पाएंगे, प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे और जो भी रिक्वायर नीडेड प्रैक्टिस होता है आप कर पाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to be like this, then you can also flourish, grow like this plant quickly. And this is not surety but guarantee, my friend. Again I'm repeating these sentences. So this is what, my friend, I wanted to share by telling about this plant, and this was my motto, to aware you, to tell you to be disciplined in learning English, learning speaking English. If you are not disciplined, आप डिसिप्लिन नहीं हैं, किसी दिन आप अपना प्रैक्टिस स्किप कर देते हैं, तो फिर 2 दिन के बाद स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, फिर मूड नहीं कर रहा है तो स्किप कर देते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक इट पॉसिबल, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अचीव. बट इफ़ यू आर डिसिप्लिन देन यू विल surely definitely you will, my friend. So this is what you need to be, you need to build, and about that I wanted to aware. So my friend, I hope you understood and you will build it. You will be a disciplined person in your journey of learning English. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.